Hey, Chris with Full Scope. Wanted to walk you through a few more things in Elementor. I want to show you how to add new sections to a page. It could be a brand new section. Could be adding in uh, a saved template that we've used on another page. To do this, get logged into your WordPress site. We'll play again with this about page on our website. If we come over here and hover over the edit with Elementor, again, right click, choose open link in new tab. Just keep it safer, keep it a little cleaner for us as we're editing. On this new tab, when it loads up there, do keep in mind Elementor can take a little bit of time to get loaded. It's a very powerful engine loading there. So if we scroll down to any place on the site, we can hover over a section. We'll see these three icons right here in this blue bar. There's a plus icon, the edit icon, which is like a 6 domino tile, and then we have the X. If you hit the X, it is going to delete that section. If we hit this, we're going to get the edit option here, or the edit section on the left, where we can do all kinds of different adjustments to it. But to add a new section, we can go ahead and click the plus icon right there. We'll again hit the second one for the plus icon. Now we just have to decide how many columns we want in this. If we start with one, we can always add more in later. We can always delete more out later. So we'll just take the 2-column layout for right now. If we click that, we have our 2 new columns added in there. Then up here, there is this icon that is the icon to add new widgets. Kind of looks like a Rubik's Cube in a way. If we click on that, we can do, again, any number of things. If we want to add an image, we just drag that image icon, image widget over to it, and we can select any widget we have uploaded already into our media library. We could upload a new one. We'll say this is the image we want to use right there. Say we want to add in, we can add in any of these elements we want, any of these widgets we want. So we could take the text edit one, drop that in there. Now we have a section we could add some new text in. We could put, we'll just use some filler text for this right now. We could go to the top and add a great heading. We can highlight that row and we can make it be a heading 1. We could make it be a heading 2. Anything like that. The great thing with Elementor is all this styling that's done. If you look at these 2 headings right here, this one on the left, which is at a very clear serif font, over here it's a sans serif font. All of that is done through the CSS. Makes it very easy for you to be able to come in and make all these updates that you need to as time goes on. So again, you can add in any different element or widget into any of these columns that you want to. Again, if we decide we don't want this one anymore, we just hit that X and it'll go away. The other thing I want to show you is how to add in a template. To do this, hit that plus icon. Instead of hitting the plus again, we're going to hit this file icon here on the far right. Then there's the 3 tabs here. We want this last one for My Templates. This is going to be a list of all of the different templates that are saved for your site. When we set up a site at Full Scope Career, we usually create a lot of these for our clients, make it really easy for them to add new pieces in, add more stuff, and keep it consistent from page to page. So if we look here, say we want to add in this section right here with the owner's promise, we could click on Insert. I usually click on Don't Apply. It can goof up a couple things in Forbank, so don't apply any of the saved settings there. It'll drop in the photo right there, or drop in that section, I'm sorry. From there, again, we can click on that edit icon. We can change a number of things with it. We can click on the paragraph and update all the text in there. We can even go in here to the edit section, go into styles, change out that photo there. We don't want that photo, for example. We might want, we'll use this photo again, insert media, and that's what it would look like then. So all we have to do then is click on the update button. And as soon as that is done going through its process, this change will be in effect and ready for everybody to see. If you have any questions about how to use any of these different features, how to add an element, how to edit a section, add a section, delete a section, add a template, anything like that, go ahead and drop us a line at info@fullscopecreative.com.